Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the overload relay with start capacitor on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. All you need is a 1/4 inch nut driver and a pair of needle nose pliers. Let me show you how we do it. Now before we do this repair, we'll first need to remove the refrigerator from the wall so that we can gain access to the back of it, and we'll also need to disconnect the power. So pull the plug from the receptacle. Next we'll need to remove the access panel on the back. It's held in place with 1/4 inch hex head screws. Remove all of those. There's 2 on either side and 2 on the top. Now that access panel just tucks into the base frame of the refrigerator, so those screws that are on the bottom do not need to be removed. We'll next pull the cord strain relief up out of the little slot on the top of that panel. And we'll set the panel aside. Now with our needle nose pliers, we're going to remove that wire harness that mounts beneath the capacitor relay assembly. Next, we're going to remove the retaining clamp that holds the capacitor and relay assembly to the compressor. Just with a needle nose, we'll lift that up, pull that out of there. And we can reach in and pull that whole assembly out, or you can probably pry most of it out with your pliers. Take the capacitor off first, and then we can get hold of relay either by hand or with your pliers, and then just pull it straight out of the back of the compressor. Now it has a triangular shaped wire connector built into it, so we need to make sure that when we install our new one that we line that up with the 3 terminals on the compressor. The assembly typically goes in easier in one piece. It's just a matter of getting your hand in that opening. Lining it up. Then we need to make sure that we push it firmly onto the connector. And then put the retaining clamp on it. We'll hook the small end into the slotted opening on top of the compressor. And then we'll carefully lock that over the capacitor. And the last thing we need to do is reconnect the wire harness. Again, this is easier done with a pair of pliers. So get a firm grip on it. Get it lined up straight. Get it started in there. And then you can push it completely into place with your hand. And again, make sure that the locking tabs engage fully. Next, we'll reinstall the back panel. So we'll drop the cord strain relief into the slot first, then lift the panel up. Center it along the back. Drop it down into place, and then replace the 1/4 inch screws. Now we're ready to reconnect to power and push the refrigerator back into place, and our repair is complete. Told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.